What's up, everybody? This is India with another review. Modern Concepts sent me 3 wavy bundles with a closure. The closure was 16 inch. The bundles was 18, 20, and 22. It's me showing y'all the closure. It's nice and thin. It's not bulky in the back. This is what the hair looks like right out of the package. And of course, it smells wonderful. Has a lot of luster, shine. Now, I wash all my bundles. Always wash your bundles. I wash all my bundles. I wash my closure. Now, this is me sewing in the bundles. And no, I do not need help. I don't need a mirror. I don't need anything. Just guidance with my fingers. I am also pregnant, so yes, my belly has made an appearance in this video. Now, this is with me. This is done, but this is wavy. The other side is straight. Which one do you like?